You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this disease, as well as how to say more medical terms that too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So this disease was named after 2 Frenchmen and 1 British scientist. It is to be said Charcot-Marie-Tooth, because the first surname is from French Charcot, Charcot, not Charcot. Charcot, silent T. Marie is how you'd say it in French, so Marie, and Tooth is a British surname, so Charcot-Marie-Tooth Disease, named after Jean-Martin Charcot, Pierre-Marie, and Howard Henry Tooth. Now you know it all, I think. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.